What is up, YouTube? Today, as you see, I am bringing you a crazy review, probably one of the craziest I've ever brought on my channel personally. And I just want to throw a huge shout out to my guys at the Sole Priorities fam. I'll put their description and their info down below in the comment section. But I'm at an undisclosed location, about to review a crazy pair of shoes. So let's just get right to it. Y'all already know the vibes. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button and the notification bell so I can keep bringing you guys crazy content like these. But too much talking, not enough action. Let's get to it. This is the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 that is supposed to release this month. If they do go through with it, inspired by the 1985 All-Star Weekend in Indiana. A lot of details on the shoe. I'm gonna do my best to cover each one. Starting off with this box, nice Trophy Room wings design. And then you got the stars, of course, as you saw. Crazy shoe. I'm just gonna go ahead and get both of them out before I start hopping into the details. You do have a cream colored paper on the inside of the box, and it comes with a nice Trophy Room ticket. It's supposed to represent that 1985 All-Star Weekend game, like I mentioned just a couple seconds ago. But then it has some facts on the back. Very cool, a lot of details. You know me, I'm into the details on any shoe. I would definitely make this a personal, definitely. Jumping into it right off the bat, you see it's got like a nice Chicago themed, but it's glistening like a glitter. It's got like a glitter effect to it across the upper. Then you got a cream midsole, and then on the bottom, one of my favorite parts, you got the red, white, and blue theme, but the stars in red and blue. Really nice. Then you got the wings logo in a black, like glitter theme as well, just to help merge the whole upper. Then you got Jordan's signature right here on the heel cup. Then the leather on these is actually very nice as well on the toe box. It's not shattered backboard leather, as people would say, but it's definitely high quality. But then if you get back here to the heel, the leather on this portion is insane. Buttery leather. And then on the inside, you have the writing right here that it says rumor has it on both shoes. And then you have the same design on the inside of the heel that you saw on the top of the interior of the box lid. On the back, like I said, these are very, similar to Chicago's, but with an added touch, and a very nice touch in my opinion. These shoes are going for about a ballpark range at the time of filming this. On February 2nd, they are about $2,000 to $3,000 a pair. Rumor has it there's only 12,000 pairs in production, which if you think on a worldwide scale, that is mad limited. So the fact that I'm even holding these, again, huge shout out to Sole Priorities and my boys over there. I'm just so grateful of even being able to have this opportunity. Make sure you hit them with a follow and support their page as well. Let me know what y'all think about these below. I'm kind of speechless, I'm not even gonna lie. Crazy shoe. My favorite touch on these personally, aside from the glitter effect and like a one-up on the Chicago Jordan 1 that everybody knows and it's a classic, would probably be the signature right here at the heel. Just imagine if you had a real Jordan signature on the heel right there. But that's insane. All-Star Weekend release right here. Maybe they might not even do a full release from what the rumors has it. No pun intended to the inside of the shoe. But yeah, Trophy Room is owned by Marcus Jordan. He is Jordan's son, and he owns a shop down in Florida. So that's what the special factor of these are. Very rare. As you can tell, it's a shoe that everybody's gonna want in their collection if they can obtain it. Me, I would love to have them, but I probably won't be able to get my hands on a personal pair, especially at that price range, just being honest. But I would definitely rock these if I could. Speaking of Chicago's though, I have another couple silhouettes that you guys would definitely recognize that I wanted just to compare. based on what we've seen. As we've seen the Chicago Jordan 1 jump crazy in price, all these other, colorways and silhouettes that Jordan Brand is releasing in the past few years, they're following the trend. First of which being my personal Chicago Off-White 1. Very detailed shoe as well. A lot of reference to 1985, that rookie year where it started everything, especially with Jordan Brand. So we got those, we got these. Then the last one I brought today for a comparison would be the Spider-Man origin story Air Jordan 1. So these, similar to like I said with these, they just took a little play off of the Chicago Jordan 1, added some spider web effects, and very high quality leather actually on these, on the middle of the upper, and then you got like the eye reference, Spider-Man's mask on the Nike swoosh. Very detailed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Ethan_Gad, it'll be right here. And I'll be posting a nice detailed image of these shoes together. Will be one of my craziest Instagram posts ever. These are insane though. The Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. I hope it was everything that you thought it would be by watching this review when you clicked on it. I hope it brought you some value, learned some facts, and y'all know what to do. Be easy.